Good evening, everyone. Thank you very much for joining us at Périmètre Institute this evening. We are very pleased to welcome all of you to share a special announcement, a partnership announcement involving the National Research Council of Canada and Périmètre Institute. Bonsoir, mesdames et messieurs. C'est un plaisir de vous accueillir ce soir pour célébrer un nouveau partenariat entre le Conseil national de recherche du Canada et l'Institut Périmètre. Two organizations are helping the country for greater impact and leadership in two strategic areas of research. The first is at the intersection of quantum physics and artificial intelligence at the Périmètre Institute Quantum Intelligence Lab. That's just down the street here at the Communitech Data Hub. This is where researchers are adapting modern algorithms from artificial intelligence to address fundamental questions in quantum science, and employing quantum physics research to improve artificial intelligence. The second field is in astrophysics, in which Canadian scientists have made truly groundbreaking discoveries using the CHIME telescope in British Columbia. CHIME is co-led by the University of British Columbia, McGill University, the University of Toronto, and the National Research Council of Canada. It's now recognized as the world's best detector of distant, mysterious explosions called fast radio bursts, and Canada now leads the world in understanding these phenomena. La recherche à l'intersection de l'intelligence artificielle et de la physique quantique et en astrophysique prospère grâce à de brillants chercheurs, et le partenariat entre le Centre national de recherche du Canada et l'Institut Périmètre apportera du talent supplémentaire à ces projets. Pour en savoir plus sur ce partenariat, veuillez vous joindre à moi pour souhaiter la bienvenue aux dirigeants des deux institutions. Please welcome Périmètre Institute's Director Rob Myers and the President of the National Research Council, Ian Stewart.
Hello, everyone, and thank you for being here to celebrate this new partnership with us. We live in a truly remarkable time for fundamental physics, from the very small with the quantum to the very large with the cosmos. On the cosmological scale, radio astronomy is being transformed using devices of unprecedented sensitivity and statistical power. And as Michael said, Canada's CHIME telescope is playing a huge part in that revolution, and Périmètre researchers like Kendrick Smith are playing a key role in that work. One of the goals that's now made possible by Kendrick's work is resolving the puzzle of fast radio bursts. And if you're wondering what is a fast radio burst, that's exactly the right question. It's the question that astronomers and astrophysicists around the world have focused their attention on. Périmètre researchers are also working at the tiny quantum scale, where they're doing research that will profoundly shape science and technology. At the Périmètre Institute Quantum Intelligence Lab, Roger Malco and his team are leading the world on research at the intersection of machine learning, quantum matter, and quantum devices. Their work is accelerating research on the complexity frontier, and their discoveries will shape new technologies like quantum computers and synthetic quantum matter. Of course, young, creative researchers are the lifeblood of pioneering science. So Ian and I are very pleased to announce that Périmètre and the NRC have partnered to add 4 outstanding postdoctoral researchers and 2 exceptional PhD students to these research efforts. So to tell you more, please welcome the President of the NRC, Ian Stewart.
Premièrement, je suis ravi d'être ici pour faire l'annonce ce soir. It's a very exciting opportunity for us to talk about our shared activity together. We at the National Research Council consist of a group of labs at 22 locations across the country. About 4,000 people work at the NRC, about 2,125 researchers. And the photo you saw of CHIME, which looks like half pipes for skateboarders. That's located at Penticton, which is our radio astronomy lab in British Columbia. But we run astronomy facilities around the world, Hawaii, Chile, as well as different parts of Canada. And astronomy is a big part of what the National Research Council is about. And so this opportunity to have shared postdocs in areas of astronomy is very exciting for us. We've had great respect and we've watched with great interest Perimeter as it grows, as it develops. And we've begun to find ways that what we're doing and what Perimeter is doing can connect. And through these postdocs in astronomy, we're building bridges. Human beings interacting with each other is how the science community works best and shares ideas. And so as we're talking about tonight, we have 3 postdocs in particular in the astronomy shared space. Simon Foreman, who's working on extracting weak cosmological signals from 21 centimeter intensity maps. We have Meiling Ding, who's located in Penticton, where you saw that photo, who's working on instrumentation for next generation telescopes, including a successor to CHIME. We have hopes and ambitions that we'll do more devices of that nature. And then we have another postdoc we'll be recruiting this fall, and so we'll work out that program together. And then also, as you mentioned, we have quantum intelligence as an area that's also very exciting for both of us. At the NRC, we've been working on extreme photonics and then quantum photonics and quantum over the past several decades. And researchers here like Roger Melko and researchers like Isaac Tamlin at the National Research Council are beginning to find shared areas where we have opportunities to work together. And again, what better way to work together than to have shared postdocs, shared students, and create a community across the 2 institutions. And in that regard, we have Sebastian Wessel, who's here with us this evening, who is our shared postdoc in this area. So we're very excited. He's working on new AI-based methods for problems in statistical physics, condensed matter, high-energy physics, and other applications. There's a just great array of domains in which the work that he's doing will be able to be applied. So I want to say congratulations to the postdocs who successfully obtained these positions. This is, for us, an ongoing relationship. And as postdocs move on and take on other duties, we will be continuing other postdocs and working out together what those will look like. So thank you. Thanks for having me here tonight. And I'd like to say congratulations to Perimeter for being such an excellent partner for us in this venture.
Thank you very much, Ian. Great to have you here. Thank you, Rob. We're all looking forward to seeing this partnership flourish and develop over the coming years. Now, for more information on the partnership, you're welcome to go to the websites of the Perimeter Institute and the National Research Council of Canada. So this concludes tonight's announcement. Thank you very much for joining us. Merci et bonne soirée.